Crypto trading can feel like a steep climb, complicated, unpredictable, and incredibly time-consuming. But what if smart AI could take care of it all automatically? Introducing Trixo Fund, your AI-powered crypto trading assistant created specifically for the UK market and beyond. Hit the link in the description, enter your email, and we'll send you everything you need to get started. Exclusive early access credentials, a full step-by-step onboarding guide, a special welcome bonus. The UK is quickly becoming a key player in the regulated digital asset space. Trixo Fund keeps you ahead of the curve, automating crypto trades based on real-time insights and data-driven strategies. How does it work? Trixo Fund monitors leading exchanges around the clock, including UK platforms, analyzing live data, identifying trading opportunities, and executing trades automatically using proven algorithms. You don't need to be a crypto expert. Trixo handles the strategy, timing, and risk, so you don't have to. The platform is cloud-based and easy to use, accessible on any device, with a clean, intuitive interface for beginners, and advanced tools for experienced traders who want more control. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins, Trixo integrates smoothly with top crypto platforms, giving you a head start from day one. Built for smart investors, Trixo Fund helps you trade more intelligently, using automation and data, not guesswork or hype. Click the link now, claim your early access before it's gone. Step into the next generation of crypto trading. Smarter investing starts here. Trixo Fund, AI-driven crypto trading, built in the UK.